to be a warm Saturday as you're taking a live look across Fort Wayne as the sun is out with some hazy skies. That's due to the wildfires out west and also into Canada. And that's going to bring a little bit of a moderate air quality for today. But temperatures across 21 country, we are in the upper 60s to low 70s, 69 degrees here in Fort Wayne, Bluffton, and Huntington, while we're into the low 70s, pretty much towards our north for Kendallville, Auburn, Angola, and Defiance. Not only that, it's also sticky out there. Dew points are in the upper 60s to low 70s, so it's going to be a hot and humid day ahead. And look at the future track, temperatures with a heat index will reach our highs around the mid to upper 80s, but add the heat index value with all the humidity, it's going to feel a lot like in the 90s. So if you are going to be out and about today, it's going to be a great day to go to the pool, go to the lake or the river, just to keep yourself cool. And so looking at our storm track radar, we will be dry as well. We had a few showers and storms off towards our east and Defiance, but that's drifted off out of our region. So now we're left with partly cloudy skies. Now will pretty much continue throughout the day. Zooming on out, you start to see a fine line of showers and storms. That is from a cold front that's going to be heading towards our direction later on into the day. But overall, we will be dry due to this high pressure system. That's going to bring all the warm, moist air. So that's the reason why it's going to be hot and muggy today. But with this weak cold front, that could make things a little bit much improvement. This cold front will slide towards the east, and that will move in. By tonight, it's going to bring a strong line of showers and storms and be out of our region by early Sunday morning. So here's what the future track shows in case you want to make any plans outside. By 12 o'clock, again, we'll see some breaks in clouds. Overall, partly sunny skies. And as we get around about 5 o'clock, if you want to go out outside, maybe cook some burgers on the grill, again, we will be dry. A few bit of stray showers towards our east, but overall, we'll stay dry. And then as we get around about 9 o'clock, here comes that cold front moving across our northern counties. You can tell some of these isolated storm cells could be more on the stronger side, indicate those pink and red cells. So this system will continue to track down towards the southeast. It'll be over around Fort Wayne around about 11 o'clock, including into Huntington and Columbia City. Again, you can tell these isolated storm cells, that's just something you have to keep a mind on because the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 1 marginal risk for severe weather across 21 country. And the main threats with those isolated storm cells will be damaging winds up to 40 to 60 miles an hour. Along with that, we could see some isolated flooding possible due to heavy downpours. Now, the tornado threat is low. It's not zero. There is some rotation in the atmosphere from the soundings I looked at. So it's low, but again, it's not zero. And overall, just a storm summary. Again, pretty much this whole day, we will be dry. So if you do want to go to the pool or just be outside, you should be okay. No rain at all. But around about 7 p.m. to about 2 a.m. By tomorrow morning, that's when we start to see an increasing threat for heavy rain and wind as those storms will start to move through. But overall, just to recap, partly sunny skies, highs reaching around the mid to upper 80s. But add the heat index value, it's going to feel a lot like in the 90s. And then by tonight, we'll see scattered showers and storms, overnight lows cooling down into the low 70s. And then tomorrow, drying out, highs upper 80s, more sunshine for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We look to be hot and dry throughout the next 7 days. The best chance for rain after tonight will be into Thursday.
Well, it looks like we'd be able to enjoy the rest of this week. And, you know, I like when we're able to just have these warm temperatures. Go ahead and get that rain out the way, right?
Exactly. You know, if you have any pets, you want to take them on walks, just do it in the mornings or later in the evenings where it's not too hot.
Before it gets too hot on that concrete and that asphalt heats up. Thank you for that, Matthew. Coming up next on ABC 21 Weekend Morning News, some of America's earliest cars have been produced right here in the Hoosier State. After the break, we'll tell you about how a pursuit for the American dream began right here in 21 Country.